Hey guys, the Note 10 and Note 10 Plus already announced, but today I will talk about why you should get the Note 10 Plus instead of the Note 10. So let's get the video rolling. Well, the biggest reason why you should get the Note 10 Plus is because of the SD card. That's the first major reason, because the Note 10 doesn't come with the SD card. Number two is because the Note 10 Plus comes with 1440p resolutions, but the Note 10 is only 1080p. So if you're paying over $1,000, do you want to go for the 1080p screen resolutions? I don't think so. Number three is a 6.8 screen size instead of 6.3 screen size. In addition, it's a 4300 milliamps instead of 3500 milliamps. As a Note user, 3500 milliamps is not enough for daily usage. And number four is actually the storage size. You can actually get 512 gigabyte storage size with 12 gig RAM, but Note 10 is only come with 256 gig with 8 gig RAM, and that's it. There's no second choice. And in addition, you actually can choose 4 colors instead of 3 colors. So on the Note 10, they only come with 3 colors, but on the Note 10 Plus, it will come with 4 different colors. And those colors are very nice. But however, what we learned is they already killed the headphone jack. So this year, they are not gonna come with the headphone jack, but they did come with USB-C headphone jack adapter. So you can actually use, just like iPhone, you can use your headphone jack with from the power plug, but they don't use it, the headphone jack anymore. They took it out. Because according to Samsung, they don't have enough space for the headphone jack, which I don't believe that. So the Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus, they're gonna come out on August 23rd, which I'm gonna get, the Note 10 Plus because I like the white color, and I don't care the other color, but the white color looks really nice. I'm gonna get the 256 gig because there's an SD card anyway for 8 gig RAM, so it's enough for me, but I don't know about you guys. Alright, subscribe my channel, share this video, and have a very nice day. Bye bye, peace out.